Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So we're very close to the technical target of 2331 hopefully, and right now we're making just a small red candles here and there. But what I want to do is maybe switch onto the 1 hour time frame. So for some time here, we've actually seen some sideways movement. Now let's do hope that they are trying to create a flag, and you can see that from there to there, and we take the lower trend line as well from there to there. Trying to actually make in a flag here, but it does look like this flag is also getting broken underneath. You can see that the prices are probably going down, so maybe pull down a little bit down here to that's going to be 1855, and maybe create a lengthier flag, something like this, where you're trying to move up and down like this maybe, and then try to go back up and break and continue to go to the upside. I'm trying to see what the weekly and the higher time frames are actually looking like. So in 4 days, maybe even if you make it up and close it up to 2000, maybe next week is the week we might see 2331 as well. That could also be good. And the monthly time frame also, we still have like 14 more days to go, and I want to see an amazing closing with the monthly. So the ideal closing I want to see is actually 2587. If you come up and close above 2587, that's going to be a huge bullish engulfing, and then August can actually be another month which can be really green for SHIB as well. Now there's a food of thought where who knows, we could actually be looking at a flag here. Okay, so boom and break above, and then go to the upside on the monthly as well. I think things are good. Bitcoin is probably going to be touching $18,000 as well. Now the only thing that can actually be a little bit of a concern is the fact that you have this high frequency doji, which is the plus that you see in the middle. That's actually a reversal candle, but before that you may have noticed that we had three white soldiers, and three white soldiers is a continuation pattern. Now I do hope this is just a temporarily move down a little bit, and then you continue to go and push to the upside, because the worst case scenario is that if SHIB comes down to 1546, then it invalidates the journey to actually go up here, because this is where your pattern really is, and you broke above that pattern and you earn the right to actually go up there. And if you come down here, you destroy the whole pattern itself. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love.